Hey guys, my name is Divyang Patel and welcome back to my channel Patel in Canada. I hope you will find my videos valuable, so don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Moreover, please press the bell icon down below so that you can get notifications for my future videos. In today's video, I am going to break down everything about TFSA, such as how TFSA works, investment options in TFSA, contributions and withdrawal criteria, benefits of TFSA, and so on. Please make sure that you watch this video until the end because I will be sharing very important tips regarding TFSA accounts and investment. So let's begin now. The Canadian government introduced TFSA back in 2009. Just like RRSP, TFSA is also a registered saving plan that lets you grow and withdraw your money tax-free. This makes it a great financial tool to save money as emergency funds or to fulfill your short and long-term goals. A lot of people either don't invest or use TFSA for them with the fullest potential, as well as many people don't know even how much return on investment they are getting or expecting for their TFSA investment. First of all, let's see the eligibility for TFSA. Any individual who is Canadian resident with a valid SIN and who is 18 years of age or older is eligible to open TFSA. For immigrated individuals, the TFSA contribution room will be available from the year they land in Canada. Any non-resident individual with a valid SIN and who is 18 years of age or older is also eligible to open a TFSA. There is no upper age limit for TFSA. You can open more than one TFSA account with different financial platforms such as a financial institution, credit union, or insurance company, but the total amount you contribute to all your TFSA account cannot be more than your available TFSA contribution room for that year. If you want to transfer funds from one TFSA to another or from one issuer to another, there will be no tax consequences if your issuer completes a direct transfer on your behalf. You can also set up a self-directed TFSA if you prefer to build and manage your own investment portfolio by buying and selling different types of investments. Questrade and Wealthsimple are the best platforms if you would like to open self-directed TFSA or RRSP accounts. You can find my referral link for Questrade and Wealthsimple in the description below. If you open through my referral link, then you will receive some promotional offer, plus I will receive a very small referral fee. TFSA is an important investment account, and yes, I said investment account, where you can hold many different investment products. There are a number of different benefits of TFSA. One of the main benefit is that it protects your investments from taxes when the investment grow in the form of interest, capital gains, and dividends. You can withdraw the funds from TFSA and there will be no tax consequences. I will discuss some important rules regarding withdrawal later in this video. Your TFSA can hold various types of income generating investments such as cash like a saving account, mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and GICs. The types of investment you can add to the TFSA can vary depending on your future financial goals and risk tolerance. Many people open normal TFSA saving accounts with the banks, but honestly nothing will happen. It will just sit there, whereas if you put your money into some higher interest generating funds, then it will be beneficial for you. Remember one thing, when you do any kind of investments, try to invest where you can at least beat the inflation. Of course, the base strategy is always try to achieve more than the inflation rate. For example, if your TFSA is generating 3% interest and the inflation rate is 7%, then you are already losing 4% value of your money. So there is no meaning to invest. When you invest in US stocks, you do not need to pay any taxes to CRA, but depending on the type of return you receive on US stocks in your TFSA, you may require to pay some US withholding tax. Therefore, base strategy is only hold Canadian investment in your TFSA. Now let's see how much you can contribute to your TFSA account. Similar to RRSP, TFSA also has a maximum contribution limit each year set by the government based on the inflation rate. If the government does not set the contribution limits, then people will start investing all of their money in TFSA and nobody will pay the taxes. Contributions made to your TFSA are not tax deductible. This means any contributions you make will not reduce the amount of tax you pay on your personal income. The annual TFSA limit for 2022 is $6,000. One of the greatest benefits of this account is any unused room will be carried forward in the next few years, so you can take advantage of it in future years. For example, for me, the contribution limit for 2019 was $4,000 and for 2020 was $6,000, and I have not contributed to TFSA for the year 2019 and 2020. So my unused contribution room will be carried forward and I will have a total TFSA contribution room available for future years would be $10,000. Now, what happens if you over contribute to TFSA? At any time in the year, if you contribute more than your available TFSA contribution room, you will have to pay a tax equal to 1% on the excess amount above your available TFSA room. So let's say I forgot to keep track of my TFSA contribution room and I have over contributed $10,000, then based on 1% tax penalty each month, I will end up paying $100 every month until I withdraw over contributed amount. If I am not careful with this, then I will be paying a huge penalty of 12% per year, which is almost as bad as credit card debt. Therefore, make sure that you keep record when you put money in or take out money. Let's discuss withdrawals. Depending on the type of investment in your TFSA, you can generally withdraw any amount from the TFSA at any time. Withdrawing funds from your TFSA does not reduce the total amount of contributions you have already made for the year. Withdrawals made from your TFSA in the year will only be added back to your TFSA contribution room at the beginning of the following year. Let's understand this with an example. In the year 2022, the contribution limit is $6,000 and I have made a full contribution of $6,000 in TFSA. However, due to some reason, I have made withdrawal of $1,000 from the TFSA account. This $1,000 does not reduce my contribution room for the same year and I will not be able to recontribute this back to my TFSA. I can only recontribute the $1,000 in the year 2023. Just in case if you are planning to withdraw from TFSA, then my recommendation is plan to withdraw in the month of December so that you can recontribute the same amount in the next month, January. So I have covered all the basic details about TFSA. Finally, let me give you some tips which I use personally to get maximum benefits for TFSA. Number 1. Invest in TFSA for a longer term goal to get maximum benefit of compounding growth. Number 2. Take advantage of income splitting. While there is no such thing as a spousal TFSA, if you are a higher income earner, you can gift money to your spouse or partner, which they can then use to contribute to their TFSA. Doing this, you would be ensuring that both of you are maximizing your annual contribution amounts and boosting your tax-free earning. Number 3. Keep record of transactions when you put money in and take money out from TFSA. Number 4. Do not over-contribute in TFSA. Number 5. Invest in funds which has track record of providing higher rate of return in the last 30, 40 or 50 years. Number 6. Diversify your investment to prevent your saving in case of any downturn in the market or recession. Number 7. Hold only Canadian investment to avoid US withholding tax. So that's all about TFSA, guys. Now I hope you will be able to use your TFSA in the very best way based on the information provided in this video. I am a licensed financial professional and I teach and help families to save the money as well as how they can build and preserve the wealth. I would be more than happy to connect with you if you need more details about TFSA or investments. You can find my contact details in the description below. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please like my video by clicking the thumbs up button. I would love to hear your thoughts and questions regarding the TFSA in the comment section below. Let me know what subjects you want me to cover in my future videos. Moreover, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I will get some encouragement to make new videos. With this, I am signing off. I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, see you and goodbye.